Namaste. My name is Bharat. No, not the old roti kapda makan wala Bharat. I am the fast food apparel smartphone wala Bharat. I am the face of 1.25 billion people, out of which more than 50% are in the working age population with a per capita income of around $7,000. What does that mean? It means India is one of the biggest and fastest rising consumer markets in the world. And why is that, you ask? Let me answer that by showing you how much an average Indian consumes in one day. We start off with soaps and toothpastes. We love branded products for breakfast. We stock up on clothing for work. We travel in our own vehicles. We work on the best technology platforms. We are connected to friends and family always. We tune into our favorite channels. We rely on our appliances to get things done. And medicines keep us healthy. We are a non-stop consumption market. And the reasons for this are obvious. We have a large young population. We have an increasing labor force and rising incomes. So how does all of this affect you? Well, let me spell it out to you in one word: opportunity. Participate in one of the biggest consumption markets of the world. Presenting ICICI Prudential Bharat Consumption Fund Series 4. A scheme that seeks to leverage India's rising consumption trend by investing in robust stocks from key sectors. Let's take a closer look at them. Consumer durables, a hugely untapped sector that is expected to reach $46.54 billion by 2020. This is evident by the rising demand of appliances in recent years and the untapped potential market of consumers who have not yet owned basic appliances like refrigerators and electric fans. Consumer non-durables, the fourth largest sector in our economy that is expected to grow at 20.6% by 2020. With an increase in the percentage of households and spends per household that consume 16 to 20 FMCG products in a year, there is considerable potential in the sector. In the auto sector in India, which stands at the fourth largest in the world and is also the seventh largest in terms of commercial vehicles manufacturing, the scheme seeks to pick up stocks in key companies of the sector. The media and entertainment industry, one of our fastest rising sectors, which is expected to touch $33.9 billion in 2020. With the rise of prime events such as T20 and IPL, India is now one of the world's highest spending and fastest rising advertising markets, which gives us a sizable opportunity to invest in this sector. In addition, the scheme aims to gain from the hospitality sector across India, which stands at an all-time high of 65% occupancy. In addition, the scheme may also invest in the pharma and healthcare sector, which is expected to witness a CAGR of 16.5% between 2008 and 2020, which might prove as game changers in your portfolio. All these industries are powered by the power sector, and scheme understands the growing potentials of India's power consumption market, and an exposure to the same might benefit the portfolio. In addition to this, ICICI Prudential Bharat Consumption Fund Series 4 also helps in bottom-up selection with a 3.5-year view and aims to reduce downside risks. So, this is your chance to put your money where the opportunity is. As India spends, you can enjoy good capital appreciation by staying invested in sectors that shape a consumer's Bharat. Because as they say, customer is king. Jai Hind, Jai Tarakki. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.